45 life-changing health tips to transform your well-being. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we embark on a journey to discover 45 practical health tips that can completely transform your body, mind, and overall well-being. These tips are designed to motivate you to take small yet powerful steps toward building a healthier and happier version of yourself. Whether you're new to healthy living or looking for inspiration to keep going, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join our amazing community for more health, motivation, and self-care content. Let's dive right in and make health a priority, one tip at a time. Taking care of our body is the very foundation of good health. Here are some simple yet effective ways to nurture your physical well-being every day. Start by staying hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to boost energy, improve focus, and maintain clear skin. Add fruits and veggies to your meals. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that fuel your body. Eat at consistent times. Your body thrives on routine, and regular meal times support digestion and energy levels. Practice portion control. Mindful eating helps balance your calorie intake and prevents overeating. Sleep is a non-negotiable health habit. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to recharge your mind and muscles. Stay on top of your health by scheduling regular checkups. Preventive care is key to catching potential issues early. Remember, your physical health is your most valuable asset. Start with these small habits, and they'll bring big changes to your life. Movement is medicine for your body and soul. It helps you feel more energized, confident, and capable. Let's explore practical ways to stay active. Start small. Even a 15-minute workout at home can make a difference. The key is consistency, not perfection. Incorporate stretching into your day. Simple stretches or yoga routines help improve flexibility and reduce stiffness. Stay active throughout your day by walking more, taking the stairs, or standing during work breaks. Small movements add up. Introduce strength training to your routine. Either with bodyweight exercises or light weights, build muscles that keep your body strong and resilient. Don't forget cardio. Activities like jogging, swimming, or even dancing boost heart health and stamina. Make exercise fun. Find a workout class, partner, or hobby you love. This way, fitness feels like a reward, not an obligation. When you prioritize movement, you'll notice improvements not only in your body, but also in your mood and outlook on life. Take that first step and keep going. A healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body. Let's focus on cultivating peace, perspective, and positivity. Practice meditation. Even a few minutes of quiet mindfulness can help reduce stress and calm your mind. Start a gratitude habit. Each day, write down a few things you're thankful for. Positivity attracts positivity. Declutter your environment. A clean, organized space promotes mental clarity and emotional balance. Limit screen time, especially before bedtime. Too much screen exposure can disrupt your sleep and overwhelm your mind. Don't hesitate to seek help if needed. Therapy and counseling are powerful tools for processing emotions. Mental health is a cornerstone of overall well-being. By caring for your mind, you're setting the stage for a happier, more fulfilled life. Your lifestyle choices shape the quality of your days. Here are actionable tips to create habits that truly nurture your well-being. Develop a morning routine you love. It sets the tone for a focused and calm day ahead. Stay consistent. Health is built through small, repeated actions, so stick to your healthy schedules. Spend time outdoors, whether it's a walk, hike, or just sitting under a tree. Being in nature revitalizes your spirit. Learn simple breathwork techniques. Deep breathing calms your nervous system and recenters your focus. Avoid harmful habits like smoking and excessive drinking. They only pull you further from your wellness goals. Embrace stress-relieving activities, whether it's pursuing a hobby, enjoying music, or simply laughing with friends. Your daily habits create the foundation for a sustainable and healthy lifestyle. Make intentional choices that align with your goals. Sustainable health isn't about quick fixes, but about building a solid, long-term foundation. Let's talk about strategies to keep you thriving for years to come. Learn about nutrition. Educating yourself about what you're eating empowers you to make balanced food choices. Maintain a balanced diet. Ensure you're eating a variety of nutrients, carbs, proteins, and healthy fats that fuel your body. Incorporate self-care into your life. Whether it's pampering yourself or simply resting, self-care is essential for your well-being. Track your progress. Use journals or apps to monitor your health journey. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating. Long-term health is about being consistent, adaptable, and kind to yourself. Stay patient and remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. You've made it through all 45 tips. Take a moment to reflect. Health isn't just about making sudden changes, but about committing to a healthier mindset. Each tip you apply is a step towards becoming a more vibrant and confident version of yourself. Pick 2-3 ideas from today's list and start applying them. Over time, you'll see how small decisions add up to big changes. And here's an important reminder, you're never alone on this journey. Our community is here to inspire and support you, so let's grow and thrive together. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. Today, we covered tips across 5 major areas: physical health, fitness, mental clarity, lifestyle habits, and long-term solutions. From drinking more water and exercising to decluttering your space and practicing gratitude, every tip was designed to get you closer to achieving your health goals. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about showing up every day and doing your best, so take that first step today. Go for a walk, drink another glass of water, or write down things you're grateful for. Each small action matters. Finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone who might need a little health motivation. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more life-changing content. Let's make health and happiness a priority together. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you. See you in the next video.